Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this lovely half up, half down, loose curled updo. First of all, you're going to want to prep the hair, so I'm just using my GHD curling tong, and then when the curl has cooled down, I just sprayed it with some texture spray just to give it a more messy look. Okay, so once we've completed curling the entire head, we're going to section off the crown area. So just sort of make a circle around the top of the head, making sure you leave hair out at the front and sides, and just clip the rest out of your way so it doesn't get tangled up. Then we're going to take thin slices of hair from that crown section, starting at the front and just adding an inch or two of back combing, and then working your way back through those sections until the whole area is back combed. Once you're done back combing, flip the sections back over and gently smooth out the top layer so you can't see any of the back combing underneath. Then gather the whole section, smoothing it out as you go, give it a little twist and pin it to the middle of the back of the head with a bobby pin or two. Once you've done that, we're just going to want to make it look a little bit more textured by pinching and pulling at hair around that back combed area just so it's not so neat. Next we're going to work on the hair at the front of the head, so just grab all the hair from the ear forwards, give it a loose twist towards the head and gently grab just a few hairs at the end of that twist and push the rest back up the strand, and then you can loosen this even more by pinching and pulling at that twist just so it looks nice and piecey. Just use a couple of bobby pins to pin that twist to the head and then repeat on the opposite side, and then just pin that underneath the twist we've just created. So here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.